Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this review are available in the description below. This is my personal experience using the service, and your results may vary. LoanNow offers short-term personal loans ranging from $100 to $10,000. The application process is entirely online and promises quick decisions, often within minutes. Funds can be deposited into your bank account as soon as the next business day, provided your application is approved and you sign the loan agreement. LoanNow emphasizes a straightforward and accessible application process, designed to be user-friendly even for those with less than perfect credit. They consider various factors beyond just credit scores, potentially allowing access to credit for individuals who might be denied by traditional lenders. However, it's essential to remember that LoanNow loans may come with higher interest rates compared to conventional personal loans, so carefully reviewing the terms and conditions is crucial. Understanding the total cost of the loan, including all fees and interest, is essential before committing. While LoanNow can be a viable option for those needing quick access to funds, it's important to borrow responsibly and only take out a loan if you're confident in your ability to repay it according to the agreed-upon schedule. Always compare offers from multiple lenders to ensure you're securing the most favorable terms possible. Check LoanNow's website for the most up-to-date information on loan amounts, interest rates, and eligibility requirements. They provide resources and tools to help borrowers make informed decisions about their financial needs. Remember, borrowing money should be a carefully considered decision, and understanding the full implications is paramount. Make sure you have a solid repayment plan in place before taking out any loan, regardless of the lender. Responsible borrowing is key to maintaining a healthy financial future.